Okay, so this one is for the people who still think like the caste system is better, right? And shout out to Karna because Karna is like in my opinion, he's the best warrior of Mahabharata. He's also a Shiv Bhakt, right? And then he's a victim of the caste system. Right? First, he got separated from his mother, right? And then he was adopted by of people of like lower caste. त्यतिखेरको लोवर कास्टको मान्छेहरूले चाहिँ उसलाई एडप्ट गरेको थियो अनि त्यही भएर सुतपुत्र पनि भन्छ उसलाई सुत भनेको चाहिँ त्यतिखेरको हल्का लोवर कास्ट हो नि त एन्ड देन तर उसको परिवारको रोयल किङडमसम्म चाहिँ मतलब his family used to work for the kingdom होइन त and then what happened is he was like he's like the son of sun भन्नको मतलब सूर्यपुत्र भन्छ हैन so he of course had some talents त्यही भएर when he saw the Pandavas practicing with drone हैन he wanted to learn so but the drone he was a very very egoistic man yeah he was a great warrior but he was a very very egoistic man Ekalavya was also like a greatest warrior right but the drone because of the caste system because of the caste system he asked for a thumb of the Ekalavya okay? Like caste system is like okay like Ekalavya was the best one and then he asked for his thumb see how bad how cruel this is हैन कास्ट सिस्टम तर अब त्यतिखेरको टाइममा इट वाज बेटर यु क्यान जज फ्रम द आइज अफ प्रेजेन्ट फर द पास्ट भन्छ नि अहिलेको आँखाले चाहिँ तिमीले हिस्ट्रीलाई जज गर्न मिल्दैन महाभारत झन् कति धेरै एन्सियन्ट कुरा हो हैन सो अब चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि अनि अब नेपालमा पनि कास्ट सिस्टमले त्यही भयो के तर कर्णको स्टोरी कम्प्लिट गरौँ अनि he was rejected by Drona हैन like humiliated पनि होला because Drona was a very very egoistic man है अनि यो इगो चाहिँ like जोमा पनि हुन्छ दे इज लाइक ड्यामेजेस एभ्रिथिङ के इगो जति राम्रो मान्छेहरू पनि इगो छ भने इट विल लाइक ड्यामेज थिङ्स के हैन अनि त्यसपछि what happened is he wanted to learn and he had some innate skills भन्छ नि because he was son of sun हैन so he went to Parsuram so Parsuram is also a devotee of he is a warrior a Brahmin warrior शिवको भक्त हैन अनि a fierce warrior हैन one of the craziest best warrior हैन Parsuram भनेको and then Karna asked him to teach him but yeah Parsuram also अब त्यतिखेरको टाइममा नि caste system was there के किनभने like I don't know why it was there अनि maybe it also has some reasons है like क्षत्रियहरुलाई क्षत्रियमा राख्नलाई सुतहरुलाई सुत राख्नलाई something होला हैन it doesn't matter अनि के भयो भन्दाखेरि he also asked Karna if he was like Sut putra or he was like which Varna he was from and it was like the last chance he could and it was the Parsuram himself son like the devotee of Shiva and so Karna he lied because he wanted to learn so he lied that he was from a Kshatriya and he learned well and I had seen a story so what happened is जब सबै सकेको थियो हैन and then Parsuram I think he told Karna to let him rest to let Parsuramलाई चाहिँ उसको काखमा चाहिँ रेस्ट गर्न दिनलाई भनेर भन्यो like he wanted to rest his head in Karna's lap है and Karna sat down and like Parsuram rest हैन Parsuramले विश्राम गर्यो Parsuramजीले विश्राम गर्नुभयो हैन अनि त्यसपछि a scorpion came है nearby अनि त्यसपछि it like scorpion or something like जे पनि एउटा venomous चिज and it like beat कर्णलाई टोक्यो हैन and कर्णलाई टोकेपछि but Karna couldn't move because it was his guru हैन he wanted his guru to rest so he didn't move a bit हैन and that's when Parsuram opened his eyes he saw like Karna was like Karna's hand or something was like filled with blood and like it was like if it was scorpion then it was his hand was poisoned हैन and Parsuram was like if he was a Kshatriya if he was a Brahmin, he shouldn't have let it happen. Like he shouldn't have let this damage happen to him. He should have reacted. He shouldn't have done this one. Like iti धेरै सहनशीलता हुनु नपर्ने. So Parsuram was furious that he knew that he assumed he had prejudice that he is not a Kshatriya and like he said that Karna used deception to acquire the skill and Karna did. So Parsuram gave him the curse. Like whenever he like in a battlefield when the time comes he will forget his skills अनि त्यो टाइम भनेको चाहिँ अर्जुनसँगको लडाइँमा अर्जुन पिपल ग्लोरिफाई हिम बट हि वाज द के भन्छ अहिलेको नेपो किड जस्तै हो हि आइ एम सरी टु से द्याट होइन तर हि इज अ नेपो किड लाइक किन यस अर्जुन अल्सो ह्याड हार्डसिप्स होइन but compared to Karna, it was nothing. Karna was the brother of the Pandavas. He was the brother of the Pandavas, the first son of Kunti. Right? So yeah, and Karna, if Karna wanted, he could have, Pandavas were no match for him. And why did he side with Duryodhana? It's like if you put yourself in the shoes of Karna, you would know. Okay, when you are like rejected and like shamed by all of the society, and someone gives you a hand, someone gives you a kingdom to rule because of your skills, then yeah, you side with them. It's like loyalty. It's like your dharma. That is your karma. That is why he sided with Duryodhana. Duryodhana, he had his problems. Shakuni has his problems. Everyone has problems, होइन सबैजनाको प्रब्लम हुन्छ. So yeah, Karna was so powerful. Like, and अब मैले के भन्न खोजेको भन्दाखेरि what happened to Karna shouldn't happen to other people now. Like people are so skillful, right? Like you can see now, like how good everyone is. Like the ones that attack the low caste, होइन I shouldn't name them. You know them, होइन कति skillful छ होइन डान्समा म्युजिकमा and business पनि होला everything. So we should not let this caste thing come into our society again. And this is also a humble reminder to our Raj Sanstha. If they want to establish a good country, a good nation, यो caste system चाहिँ हामीले हटाउनु पर्यो. Like people should be given positions based on their karma, based on their work, है merit based system हुन्छ नि. Singapore has a merit based system के government मा पनि. Like who does well, he gets rewards and he gets promoted type okay. So yeah, I think we can apply this हेरौँ होइन अनि yeah, so that's all. Karna, we should learn from the stories, right? Stories are made for us to teach, for us to not repeat, है त्यो स्टोरीबाट लर्न गर्ने हो के हरेक स्टोरीबाट we should be like aware that यस्तो यस्तो भइरहेछ यस्तो भएको थियो हिस्ट्रीमा and stories are made to teach us like यस्तो चाहिँ गर्नु हुँदैन भनेर. So we should not be foolish and repeat the same thing, है अब यो कास्ट सिस्टम चाहिँ I don't think it should prevail, है. So अरू त के भन्ने अरू के